Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. This is going to be a really fast video and specific to people who own a ChocoVision chocolate tempering machine. So if you are a current owner and you wish to order an extra stainless steel bowl, I'm going to show you what you get with the bowl. So what you get is a baffle, the bowl, and you also get 3 baffle scrapers, which are included right here. And these here are really nice to have because you can also order these separately, so it's nice that they include them with the bowl. So first off, the stainless steel bowl, very well made, looks just like the original and fits perfectly in the Rev 2B model. So we have the baffle here. You'll notice that there's a little probe here, and this probe transfers information up to these 2 little pins that are located here, right there, and those pins connect up to the chocolate tempering machine. So this whole setup gives a very accurate reading of what your chocolate temperature is, sends it through here, and it goes into the computer that's in the ChocoVision tempering machine. The other thing that we have here is a little piece that slides on. So you want to use that every time you're using the machine. And it's nice that they supply this as well because you can buy extra one of these. But when you buy the bowl, they give you this as well. So very nice to have. So you have that there, and that goes in like that. You take this little piece and you slide it right over to the edge of the bowl, just like that. So when you have entered the ChocoVision tempering mode, you're going to be adding chunks of hard chocolate into this side of the bowl. So as the chocolate is melting and you have the chunks in there, sometimes the chunks want to jump out of the bowl, and this little extra piece holds all of the chocolate inside. So very well thought out, and it works really well. So the plastic scraper goes in here. You just slide it in and it locks in place. And then this sits in the bowl like this. So once you have the little silicone scraper installed, as the bowl turns, it does a very good job at keeping all of that chocolate up and inside the bowl and not on the sides of the bowl. So it does a really good job of cleaning all of the bowl as it turns. So it does a really good job. And the last thing that comes with this is a little silicone brush, which I don't have right now because it's being washed. So there we have it, a really good overview of what you get when you order an extra bowl. And if you are somebody who is using different types of chocolate during the day or during the week, it's always nice to have that extra bowl. So if you're using a dark chocolate and all of a sudden you want to start using white chocolate, you don't have to go and clean out your bowl. You can just switch over to the brand new bowl. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. All the recipes and tutorials that you see on my YouTube channel are available on my Facebook page as well. So again, the machine that we're talking about here today is the Rev 2B. It's made by the company ChocoVision. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.